Mommy, I want one full plate. Mommy, you said that you will take me to a restaurant if I get good marks in exam. Please, Mommy.
Yes. Look, there's a restaurant. We will go there.
Welcome, ma'am. What did you like to order? Mommy, I want one full plate of fried chicken.
I'm glad that you want me. Look how beautiful and colorful and tasty I am.
Why don't you try chicken soup instead? It's healthy.
It's good that you call me. And chicken soup. I have a lot of proteins, vegetables and herbs. Do you know, child, your skin is glowing because you're eating me from a small age.
Mommy, chicken soup is boring. I want cheeseburger, please.
Wow, thank you for remembering me. I am Cheeseburger. Do you know that I am cheesy and saucy and I have your favorite meat? Do you want to eat me? Wait, don't eat this. Instead, try my friend vegetable sandwich. Hey, thanks for calling me. I'm much better than this burger. I don't have any sauce or other things that make me unhealthy. I have a lot of fresh vegetables, vitamins, minerals and a favorite paneer too.
Ma'am, if it's getting late, please order something to drink. Why do you think? Mommy, I want Coke, please.
Hey kid, I'm glad that you remembered me. By the way, Coke, just look at me. I'm chill and cool. I'm full of sugar and calories just to have me. Oh wait, you call yourself healthy? You have stolen our limelight. Because of you, people have forgotten us. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm mixed fruit juice. I'm fresh and healthy. I'm full of antioxidants. I have no artificial sweetness. I'm just pure fruit. You call yourself healthy, but look how boring and dull you look. Who will like you? Have you finished speaking? Can I speak? You are speaking about our color. But see, we are not unhealthy like you. Did you see your vegetable sandwich? Will any kitty eat raw vegetable? Have you seen yourself? Do you know from which dirty oil they fry the patty? Because of which people fall sick? But children like us. We'll see. Ha! You call me self-obsessed. I'm obsessed because people love me. You must have fall for fat. Chill, Coca-Cola is a feeling. Stop it. Haven't you heard that people use you to clean things? They don't sell you in a J school too. Wait, don't listen to them. Come here.
Leave me, I want to eat healthy food.
Eat healthy. Thank you.
உணவிற்கும் ஆரோக்கியத்திற்கும் உள்ள பிணைப்பினை அழகாக எடுத்து கூறிய குழந்தைகளுக்கு நன்றி.